Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to all basic point is discussed here, and this lecture is very important, and this is a very advanced point. Use a Solidworks, and this Solidworks book, and this point is a Solidworks books lecture first, and Solidworks some advanced point is discussed here, and this point is very important for beginner student, is very important, and how to this is work, and how to this point is work, and this point is how to active, and today discuss here a very important point. Okay, first point is a mouse buttons, and how to all point is discussed here. A mouse button is work, one by one is learn here, and next is a mouse gestures and handles. Today discuss here a 3 point is very important for beginner student, and this point is also a proficient student is also, and this point is very important, and this is a professional, this point is a beginner to professional, and all point is discussed here. Okay, at first select a mouse buttons, and how to mouse buttons is work. This is a left point and right. Mouse button is a point is a left and right, and middle buttons following action. Okay, at first okay, this is a Solidworks interface, and how to this point in use a Solidworks. Okay, at first drawing any, select a geometry and select any line and draw any geometry, and this use this. Okay, and this point is a very important, and a smart dimension is use here a 90, and this is a 45. Okay, all is fully defined, and next is a okay, this is a very important, and the first point is a left. Okay, this is a finger is a left finger and right finger, and middle finger is a right finger, and at first finger is a left finger, and mouse middle round button is a mouse middle button, and left finger is select items. Okay, left finger is a select items, and right is a displays the context menu. Okay, one by one is learn here. This at first select a left finger is a select items, means this is a click here, and this is a select. Also this is a also select, and select all is a select here. This body is a select here. Okay, total is select here, and one by one is select here. Then press a control button, and this select, and also this select, and also one by one is right left click is select a mouse button, and all is select here. Okay, but select this is a single point, but select this point is a this is a removal, and this is a select, and this is a remove. Okay, and all select is a this is a all select here, and select one by one is all, and press a control button, and left mouse click one by one, and all is select easily. Okay, and next is a right click display the context menu, means this is a learn here. Right click and right click, this is a open, this is a context menu open here, you can see here easily, and this is a context menu is open here. Okay, left click is a, okay, this is a left is a select items and right is a display the context menu, and this is a very important middle buttons, and middle buttons following action. This is a rotate view and pan view and zoom in out and 3 point is very important, and use this middle mouse button, and at first select a rotate view, means this use a, this body is rotate, and this is a use a press a, okay, this is a rotate means view means drag the mouse by pressing the middle mouse button. Okay, drag the mouse by pressing the middle mouse button means you can see here easily. Okay, pressing a middle mouse button, then this is a rotate here. Okay, this is a perfect body is rotate here, and this use a normal, and pressing a middle mouse button, drag the mouse by pressing the middle mouse button. Okay, drag the mouse anywhere is drag the mouse and press at first pressing a middle mouse button, and then use a drag the mouse. Okay, and next is pan. Pan is a press the control key and drag the mouse by pressing a middle mouse button. At first press a control key, you can see here a keyboard, and press a control key and then press a middle mouse button, and this is a dragger. Okay, this is a pan, and this is use a pan, and pan is very important, and at first press a control button and then middle mouse button is a press a and drag, this is a pan, you can see here easily. And next is a same here, a zoom in and zoom out, press the shift key at first and drag the mouse by pressing a middle mouse button, means you can see here easily, press a shift key and pressing a middle mouse button, and then this body is a zoom in and zoom out. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this is a middle mouse button is a rotate here and zoom in, this is a zoom in and zoom out. But press a shift key and press a middle mouse button and then use a easily zoom out and zoom in. Okay, all is perfect, correct. Okay, and next is a mouse gestures. Mouse gestures is a very important, and this is a this is point is very use here, and this point is ask a interview question, and this is a very important. Mouse gestures is a you can use mouse gestures by right clicking and dragging the mouse button in graphic area. You can see here easily, you can use mouse gestures by right clicking, okay, right clicking and dragging the mouse buttons in graphic area. Then this body is a use here, at first select a right clicking, okay, and drag a mouse. Okay, this is a perfect open here, and this open is a select a rectangle, automatic a rectangle is drag here. Okay, but again press a middle mouse button and drag, press a right, and this is open, and this is use a line. Okay, this is a perfect, and this is a use a smart dimension. Smart dimension is a this. Okay, and smart dimension is use here this, and also select a, press a middle mouse button and right click and this is a drag here. This is a circle, okay, and draw any circle here, this, and again select press a middle mouse button and right click and drag here this, and use a line and circle, a line and dimension one by one is all is perfect. Okay, and next is a, this is a delete here. Okay, and next is a handles. Handles is a very important, and handles is a, you can see here easily you can use the property manager to set value such as the depth of an extrude. You can also use graphic handles to drag and set parameters dynamically without leaving the graphic area. Means you can see here this point is very important, and handles is also, this is a very useful, and this is a use of beginner or student is very important, and all point is a very important. You can see you can use the property manager to set a value such as the depth of an extrude. You can also use graphic handle to drag and set parameters dynamically without leaving graphic area. Means this use a extrude, okay, and extrude means is a this, okay, and this body is a perfect, and this drag the this, and some dimension is a use, okay, and extrude is a very important, and both side is a this, okay, this is a dynamically use here, and dynamically without leaving the graphic area means, okay, this is a perfect. You can use the property manager to set a value such as the depth of an extrude, okay, this value is a set a value is 50, okay, correct, but and drag the both side is a also perfect, okay, and click okay. This is a extrude boss base is apply here, and this body is a 3D body, okay, this is a perfect, okay, this is a perfect, and also use a this use extrude, and some use a set a value is a 40, means this is a perfect, okay, this also is a perfect and correct, and this value is a so nice looking here, okay. Okay, okay guys, all point is discussed here. Okay guys, I hope you will learn all point is discussed here, a very important. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.